and welcome to the Signal Iduna Park. I'm Derek Ray, my co-commentator is the former Arsenal fullback Lee Dixon, and we should have a pulsating game of football for you. It is Borussia Dortmund up against Inter.
Thanks, Derek. Good atmosphere here. Everybody looking forward to what should be a really entertaining game.
Here's the starting 11 for Borussia Dortmund. Roman Bürki begins in goal. Mats Hummels starts with Dan Axel Zagadou in the fullback positions. Axel Witsel starts with Emre Can in central midfield. And it's an interesting looking attacking constellation with three forwards listed from the start. The Inter starting lineup. Samir Handanovic begins in goal. Diego Godin plays with Milan Skriniar in central defence. Marcelo Brozovic plays alongside Christian Eriksen in the centre of the pitch. And so many different ways to configure an attack. In this case, it'll be two men up front. And the contest begins. Now with Hakimi. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. Emre Can now. By no means on his own here. And whipped into the box. Just too close to the goalkeeper in the end, wasn't it?
Yeah, poor technique really, and the goalkeeper's not troubled.
Borussia Dortmund have given it away. Now Brozovic. Is it going to end up being productive for them? Not getting anxious when they have the ball. Martinez! Peace check with the block. Couldn't hang on to it. Royce. Emre Can now. And Witsel with it. Hummels. Now with Hakimi. Jadon Sancho. Manoeuvring his way forward. Hakimi. Can. The cross is on. Emre Can. Sancho now. Hakimi. He's going forward well here. And space for the cross. Oh, that's a goal at the wrong end. Well, it's every defender's nightmare. An own goal here.
Let's have a look at that again. All defenders look away. Nobody likes to see this. It's poor, you have to say, but it's important now that he puts his head back on and starts to concentrate on the rest of the game.
So, an own goal, and now they are chasing this game. Romelu Lukaku now. Given away by Inter. Royce. Witsel. The ball with Marco Reus. That's a confident-looking run from Marco Reus. And moving the ball nicely. Now Brozovic. Young. Brozovic. He's got space. Teammates in the middle. Well, the cross needed to be better than that one. Martinez. Reus. Witsel. The ball with Marco Reus. Jadon Sancho. The attack continues. They're making considerable progress. Emre Can. Hakimi. Running with the ball confidently. Marco Reus! Well, he didn't miss by all that much with the header. Just a little bit off target. Eriksson. Now Brozovic. Ashley Young. Well, they must exercise caution standing off as they are. Eriksson. Young. Lukaku. Electing to cross into the centre. And up for grabs off the keeper. Oh, and a perfect ball now. How about this? He has teammates to play it to. High pressing at its best. Asamoah. Barella. And providing width. So a throw in here. Asamoah. Eriksson. Eriksson! And a goal, the equaliser. Superb entertainment.
Well, we can take another look at this now, and he's connected so well with it, generated a lot of power, and the keeper just can't react in time. Look.
Well, let's have another view of that goal. Even Steven, one apiece in this match. Piszczek. Emre Can. It's with Mats Hummels. Guerreiro. Read it superbly to take back possession. Martinez. Gliding through the gears. Lukaku. Lukaku. Martinez! And the keeper taking care of the situation. Eriksson. Barella has it. A highly purposeful attack this. The emphasis on getting the ball forward. Lukaku. Lukaku! And in it goes!
Here's the replay, and I can see why the keeper's a little frustrated. He thought he got enough on that to keep it out, but it's just come past him and he's unlucky, really.
Well, the goal again, albeit from a different angle. Well, it will be interesting to see how Borussia Dortmund respond to that setback. Sancho now. We've been waiting to find out. Now we know a minimum of 3 added minutes here. Guerreiro. Well, that's a splendid piece of challenging. Martinez. Martinez. Asamoah. Barella. So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this match.
Integrali misura per mettere d'accordo la buona tavola con la buona forma, con tutta l'esperienza misura nell'alimentazione integrale.
Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins. Asamoah. Barella has it. Christian Eriksen now. Showing patience as well as persistence in the build-up. Asamoah. Thumped clear. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. It's with Milan Skriniar. Well, when you sit off like this, you invite pressure. Well, it was a very good-looking move, but alas, no end product. And turned out of play, so it will be a throw-in. De Vrij. Now Brozovic. Martinez. Firing it in. Routine save for Roman Bürki. Axel Witsel. Guerreiro. Marco Reus. And Witsel with it. Might be able to get in, but it's there for him! Great save by Handanovic.
A big chance to get level. The crowd are going nuts.
So the corner played into the box. A header it was, but a pretty straightforward save, Lee.
Well, it's an easy header, Derek, and he made it look really difficult.
It's with Guerreiro. Piszczek. Guerreiro. Witsel. Useful looking position, you've got to say. Brandt! Well, that wasn't a million miles away.
No, it was close. It was a decent effort. They'll keep plugging away, I'm sure.
Eriksen. Now it's Alexis Sanchez. Brozovic. Lukaku. Patient enough build-up. Can they carve out a chance? Martinez. Mats Hummels with that important block. Now the delivery. Well, it makes a pretty picture for those photographers behind the goal, but I'm not sure he was ever going to score with that bicycle kick.
Well, overhead kick looks good. Not really the option, though.
Brandt with it. Axel Witsel. Witsel. Guerreiro. And Witsel with it. Marco Reus. Reus. Has a go. Might still be able to do a bit of damage. And wasteful in possession, Alexis Sanchez. Just found wanting in terms of the finish then. Sanchez. We're now inside the final 20 minutes of the game. Candreva here. Martinez. Can they trouble the opposition this time? Martinez. Well, it looked highly promising, but they got nothing out of it.
Well, can Dortmund get level? The crowd certainly expect him to. Listen to that noise.
Brandt. Happy to pass the ball, but remaining patient. Now Brozovic. Eriksson. Vecino. Candreva. Vecino on the ball. Eriksson. Martinez. Going for power there, but just too much elevation on the short lead.
Yeah, over the bar, Derek, with pace. He's a little unlucky.
Jadon Sancho. Given away by Inter. Promising attack this from Borussia Dortmund. What can they do from here? Options are plenty. Good serve! You can usually rely on Samir Handanovic. There was the evidence.
Well, he's got a presence about him. Look how big he looks in the goal.
Corner kick played over, and Handanovic with the save.
Superb. That's his job. Look at the positioning. Brilliant.
And delivered by Rafael Guerreiro. Just unable to take advantage of that developing situation. Good serve. He's protecting it effectively. Wasteful in possession, Reus. Attempting to play catch-up in this second half. Lee, what ought the priorities to be?
Well, the game is tight, isn't it? I'm sure Dortmund will feel there's one more goal out there. More pressure, more balls in the box. More intensity, try and force the issue.
Oh, a perfectly timed pass. Well, he did his best to remain onside, but just failed.
Yeah, it was close, but that's all it needs to be, close. He was offside. Wow, just feel the energy from these Dortmund supporters. Can they urge their team back into this game?
Jadon Sancho. Brandt with it. Making progress. Hazard. And here's Brandt. Oh, goodness, he was right on top of the situation to get the ball back for his team. Dortmund have been awarded the free kick by the referee. Takes to keep them out. Fired over by Guerrero. Not messing around with that clearance. On and on he goes. Cutting in, what can he do from this position? Read it magnificently and intercepted. We have entered the final minute of normal time. Lukaku, Martinez. Eriksson. Vecino. Eriksson. Sanchez. Christian Eriksson now. The defender coming out on top against Lukaku. Sanchez. Firing it towards goal. And there goes the final whistle.